Good morning everyone. So we will continue our class. It is third problem. So what is third problem? A child-friendly bank announces a savings scheme for school students. They will give kitty bank to children. Children have to keep their savings in it, and bank collects all the money once in a year. So to announce this child saving, they give 6% interest if the amount exceeds 10,000. If the amount is more than 10,000, the what is the percent they are giving? That is 6%. Otherwise 5%. If it is less than 10,000, the interest rate will be 5%. Find the interest received by the school if they deposit 9,000 for 1 year. They are depositing only 9,000, that is less than 10,000. So how much interest they will receive? That is 5%. So amount deposited you write first. How much amount they are depositing? That is equals to 9,000. 9,000 is less than 10,000. That means how much interest they will give? That is interest amount is rate of interest. Rate of interest will be 5%. So what is the interest value we have to find? So what we have to find now? What is 5% of 9,000 we have to find? So 5% of 9,000. 5% can written as 5 by 100 into 9,000. 0, 0, 0, 0 will get cancelled. So 9 5s is 45. That means it will be 450 rupees. So how much interest they will get? That is 450 rupees for this 9,000 rupees. So therefore interest received by school is equals to 450 rupees. Okay, so this is our third solution. Next is fourth one. So what is the next one? Fourth question. A sum of money invested at 8% per annum for simple interest amount to 12,122 in 2 years. What will it amount to be? 2 years, 8 months, 9% rate of interest. So here they have given the rate of amount value, that is 12,122 rupees in 2 years. 2 years is nothing but time here. So now what they have given, next question they have given, what will it amount to be? 2 years, 8 months at 9% rate of interest. That is the second question in this. So in this question you are having 2 bits. So first bit we will solve. So first is amount, how much they have given? Amount value is 12,122 rupees and time is 2 years. Time is 2 years. What is the rate of interest? Rate of interest is 2%. Sorry, 8%. We don't know the principal value, so first we have to find the principal value here. That I am taking it as P itself. So which formula we will use here? A is equals to P plus I. I is nothing but rate of interest value, that is A is equals to P plus I can be written in the form of PTR by 100. So in these two cases P is common, so I am taking P as common. So what is the remaining term? 1 plus TR by 100. Now we know the amount value, we know the time value and also rate of interest. We can find the principal value here. So what is amount value? 12,122 is equals to P into 1 plus what is the time value? Time is 2 years into rate of interest is 8 by 100. So 12,122 is equals to P into 1 plus 2 8s is 16 by 100. So we have to take the LCM here. So 12,122 is equals to P into, take the LCM here. In denominator of 1 you don't have any value. That means it will be equals to 1 here. So 1900 LCM will be 100. For 1, how much you will multiply to get 100 here? Into 100 into 100. Again for 100, how much you will multiply to get 100 again? That will be 1 into 1 into 1. So 1 hundreds are 100 plus 16 ones are is 16. Now 12,122 is equals to P into 100 plus 16 is how much? 116 by 100. Okay, now we transpose this 100 to other side. So if you transpose this 100 to other side, that will be converted into multiplication because that is in the form of division. So we can write this 12,122 into 100 is equals to 116p. Okay, now I am transposing this 16 to other side, that is in the form of multiplication. So if you transpose that, that will be converted into division. So P is equals to 12,122 into 100 by, it will be 116. Now you can cancel this. So in which table can we cancel? We will cancel in 2 table. 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2. Again I am cancelling in 2 table. 2 2s are, 2 9s are 18, 2 50s are 100. So what is the remaining value? 6061 into 50 by 29. Multiply these two. So you got it as 355,199. So that is 3,55,199 divided by 29. Just divide this value. So 29 is a prime number. Directly you take in 29 table. 29 ones are 29. So 15 minus 9 will be 6. And here it will be 2 0. Bring this 5 down. So 29 2s are, we will see 58. So if you multiply this 6061 into 50, you got it as 303050. That is 3,03,050 divided by 29. We are dividing with 29 now. So 29 ones are 29, 13, 29 zeros are 0. Bring this 0 down. How many times you can take? 4 times, you will see. So it is 4s are 116. Bring this 5 down. It will be 145. See 5 times now. 9 5s are 45. 10 14 145. So you got there as a 25. 29 5s are 145. 0. Bring this 0 down. Zeros are 0. So you got the principal value as 10,450 rupees. So this is the first part. Okay, so what we did, they have given the value, amount value as 12,122, time they have given us 2 years, rate of interest is 8%, principal is we have to find. So in that, which formula we are using? A is equals to P plus I. I is nothing but PTR by 100. In this 2 we are seeing P as common, so I am taking P as out. So what is remaining? 1 plus TR by 100. Now A value is 12,122 is equals to P into 1 plus T value is 2, R value is 8 by 100. So 1 plus 8 to 8 is 16 by 100. So if you take the LCM here, you will get it as 100 plus 16 by 100. Just solve this and divide with 2 table here. I have used 2 table. So multiply this 6061 into 50 by 29. So if you multiply these two, that will be 3,03,050 divided by 29. If you divide these two, you will get as 10,450 rupees. So if the principal is 10,450 rupees, how much amount they have paid? That is 12,122 rupees. Okay. Now next is same question, but second part we are having. So by using this principle, we have to find the second part. Now second part in this. So principal value you got as 10,450 rupees. Amount you have to find now. And what they gave? In 2 years, what will be amount? In 2 years, 8 months at 9% rate of interest. Now they have given us 2 years. Time is 2 years, 8 months. And what is the rate of interest? Rate of interest they have given us, that is 9%. Okay. Now we have to find this 8 months, we have to convert into years. How to convert this 8 months into year? In 1 year you will be seeing 12 months. So we have to divide this 8 with 12. 8 by 12. So I am dividing this 8 months. 8 months I am converting into year. So 1 year will be equals to 12 months. So I am dividing this 8 with 12. So if you cancel this, 4 2s are, 4 3s are. So you got as 2 by 3 years. 2 by 3 years you can write in the form of 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 2 is 8 by 3 years. Okay, so what is the time here? Time is 8 by 3 years. Now, doing this, what is the formula? A is equals to P plus I. A is equals to P plus I is nothing but PTR by 100. So, in this 2, you are seeing the P value as common. So, I am taking P as common. 1 plus TR by 100. So, amount value we have to find. P value is how much? 10,450. 1 plus, what is time here? Time is 8 by 3 into, what is rate of interest? 9 by 100. So amount is equals to 10,450. 1 plus, multiply these two. 9 8s is 72. 72 by 3 by 100. Now we can multiply these two. It is amount is equals to 10,450. 1 plus 72 by 300. Okay, so take the LCM now. A is equals to 10,450. LCM will be 300 into 100 into 100 into 1 into 1. So that will be 300 plus 72. So 300 plus 72 will be how much? 372 by 300. Here 0 0 will get cancelled. We can cancel in 5 table. 5 6s are 30. 5 2s are 10. 5 9s are 45. 9 plus 2 11, it will not go. So we can cancel these two in 2 table. 2 3s are, 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 6s are 12. Here 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 6 will be 15. Again it will cancel in 5 table. 3 1s are 3. 3 6s are 18. 3 2s are 6. So what is the remaining value? That is 209 into 62. So what is the amount value? 209 into 62 you do. 9 2s are is 18. 2 2s are 4. 6 9s are 54. Here it will be 5. 6 2s are 12. So 8, 5, 9, 2, 1. So what is the amount value? 12,956.58 rupees. So if the principal value is 10,450, what is the, for rate of interest 9%, you got the amount value as 12,958. Okay, so this is our fourth problem. Next is same way, like in the same of fourth one, we have to do is fifth one also. In this also you are having two parts. So first part. So what is the first part? In 4 years, 6,500 amount to 8,840 with a certain rate of interest. Now we have to find the rate of interest, and in what time will 1,600 amount to 18,600 at the same rate? So we have to find, in next case we have to find the time value. Okay, so first part we will solve. So in this principal value they have given us 6,500 and amount value they have given us 8,840, and time is how much? Time is 4 years. And rate of interest we have to find. So I am taking it as R. So which formula we are using? That is A is equals to P into 1 plus TR by 100. So amount value we know that is 8,840. Principal value also we know that is 6,500. 1 plus time is 4 years. Rate of interest we don't know, by 100. Now I take the LCM of this. What is the LCM? 100. That means here 100 plus 4R. I am multiplying 100 and 100. Okay, here into 1 into 1. Okay, now we can cancel here. 0 0 0 0 will get cancelled. So 8,840 is equals to 65 into 100 plus 4R. Just multiply the terms. 8,840 is equals to 65 into 100 will be 6,500 plus 65 4s are 4 5s are 20, 24, 25. So it will be 250 R. Sorry, 26. So it will be 26 R. Okay. So now transpose is 650 to other side. It is in the form of addition. So if you transpose that, that will be converted into subtraction. So that will be 8,840 minus 6,500 is equals to 260 R. Subtract this 2. 0 minus 0 will be 0. 4 minus 0 will be 4. 8 minus 5. 3. 8 minus 6 is 2. So it will be 2,340 is equals to 260 R. So R is equals to, I am transposing this 2,600 to 260 to other side. That will be converted into division. So 0 0 will get cancelled. Cancel it in 2 table. 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 7s are. So 117. Still can we cancel? 27. Nines are. So it will cut in 13 table. 13 ones are 13 nines are. So what is the rate of interest here? 9%. So by using this rate of interest, we have to solve the next problem. In second case, we have to find time value. So already we know the rate of interest here, and what amount they have given. They have given the principal value as, this is the second part. In this principal value they have given as 1600, and rate of amount value they have given as 1816. Rate of interest we got as 9%. Now we have to find the time value. Again we have to find use the same formula, that is A is equals to P into 1 plus TR by 100. So what is the amount value? Amount value we know it as 1816, that is 1816, and principal value we know it as 1600. 1 plus time we don't know, but rate of interest is 9 by 100. So 1816 is equals to 1600. 1 plus t into 9 will be 90, 90 by 100. Now I take the LCM here. If you take the LCM will be 100. So into 100 into 100 into 1 into 1. So that will be 100 plus 90. Okay. Now you can cancel here. So 0, 0, 0, 0 will get cancelled. So 1816 is equals to 16 into 100 plus 90. Multiply the terms. 16 into 100 will be 1600 plus so that will be 144t. 16 9s is 144, 144t. Now you transpose the 1600 to other side, that will be converted into subtraction. So 1816 minus 1600 is equals to 144t. Now subtract this. So if you subtract, 6 minus 0 will be 6, 1 minus 0 will be 1, 8 minus 6 will be 2. So that will be 216 is equals to 144t. Now transpose this 144 to other side. So that will be t is equals to 216 by 144. Cancel it in 2 table. 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 108s are 216. Again in 2 table, 236s are 254s are. Again in 2 table, 2 18s are 227s are. So this will not cancel, it will go in 3 table. 3 6s are 3 9s are, 3 2s are, 3 3s are. So how much you got? That is 3 by 2 years. So 3 by 2 is nothing but 1.5 years. Okay. So what is the principal value? 1600. Rate of interest is 1816 at the rate of 9%. So for solving this, for giving this amount value, how much time they will take? That is 1.5 years they will take. So this is our fifth solution. So remaining problems will continue tomorrow. Thank you.